Hey y'all, it's CJ with Smoky Beginnings. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the MOSFiATA 8-inch professional chef's knife. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more kitchen gadget reviews. Alright, let's get unboxing. As we open up the box, there's a plastic sheath to keep the knife in while not in use. Next we have the sharpener. Looks like there's two different slots here. One of the slots houses the steel rod for sharpening, while the other slot houses the ceramic honing rod. Then there is a stainless steel finger guard. And here comes the star of the show, the MOSFiATA 8-inch professional chef's knife. There's a sticker on the blade that details the cleaning care and handling of the knife. Let's talk about the material that it's made with. For the manufacturer, this knife is crafted from high carbon German stainless steel, specifically EN1 GOD 4116 stainless steel, which is known for its strength and durability. Unlike Damascus pattern knives, this one boasts a unique laser engraved pattern on the blade. This is for both decoration and anti-sticking properties. The MOSFiATA chef's knife features a razor sharp edge. It is hand sharpened to a precise 16 degrees per side. This ensures effortless precision cutting whether you're slicing through vegetables or dicing up meats. Plus, with 15% chrome content, it's resistant to corrosion and tarnishing, keeping it looking brand new for longer. Now, the ergonomic handle is made of santoprene and polypropylene, offering comfortable and secure grip. Plus, the textured finger points provide slip resistance, so you can chop away without worrying about accidents. Here, I'm doing the initial paper test, and the knife is able to slice right through that paper out of the box. I rolled some paper as well, which the knife is able to handle with ease. Let's see this knife in action. I don't have any meat to process, so the strawberries will have to do for now. I haven't done anything to the knife other than wash it before its first use. And now it's time to remove the stems from the strawberries. Which this knife slices through the strawberry like a hot knife through butter. And I realized this knife is a little bit of overkill for strawberries, but there was very little resistance to that pull. It is very easily slicing these strawberries as thick or as thin as I want. This should be a great knife for taking the silver skin or the hard fat off a piece of meat. It will make the job of precision cuts so much easier for me. Look, I even attempted to fillet a sliced strawberry. It didn't go as planned, but that is more of my knife skills than the blade that I'm using. Now I got this as a birthday gift, but I would have no issue purchasing this myself as a very beautiful and economical knife. I can see myself using it for years to come and becoming one of my favorites. So there you have it, the MOSFiATA 8-inch professional chef's knife. With high quality construction, razor sharp precision, and ergonomic design, it's a must-have for this home cook. If you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out SmokyBeginnings.com for our grilling and barbecue recipes. And until next time, keep those fires burning and those taste buds tingling. Have a good one.